hike. So bring y'all this a little view, so I don't fall in. Hike. So bring y'all this a little view, so I don't fall in. I'm on the tip of my trail. Can't go no further than this. So bring y'all this a little view, so I don't fall in. I'm on the tip of my trail. Can't go no further than this. There it is. It's my adventure for today. Doing a little hike. Pretty day. Come out here on the lake. This is Lake Martin, Alabama. It's a few trails I have on the lake that you can walk to. It's not too bad. But there hasn't been much traffic on this one because there's a couple trees down across the trail, and you know, they're building houses on each corner. Look at them big old houses. I'll zoom in. There's some big houses. The big one right there. There's some more down there on the corner. And there's the boat dock. A lot of people on the water. A little island right there. A lot of. There's a marine police right there. There's a bunch of people out. See them skiing. See doing boating. I wouldn't swim in this water, so I'm sorry. It might look pretty, but I ain't swimming in it. Look at the boater. Is he the boater? He's in front of me. Say wave, hey. Hello, hey. There's the marine police sitting right there watching the traffic. There have been some wrecks and people drinking and boating and all that. But that's some pretty houses right there. It's a big mansion. They got one being built right there. You see all around. The lake. The pontoon. All right, let me go back into my trails. Thought I'd let y'all see this. I'll post pictures and all that later on here and on my YouTube. I'll see y'all later.